and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting to unbox and show you all. But before I unbox it, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the company. Creepy and Cute is a shop based in Detroit which is run by two ladies called Piper and Doreen. Their motto is to share the love, which I think is absolutely adorable. They create and donate dolls to charitable events to raise money, and they also donate dolls to celebrities, and I know they're huge fans of The Walking Dead. They also take custom orders and have dolls already available in their shop, which I will link in the description for you to all go and check out. And today I received my PR doll from them, which I've been waiting for over a month, and I can't wait to open it and see what it looks like and just to see it. This is what I've been sent, and it has taken a month to get to me because of customs and all the other stuff. This was gifted to me. I'd just like to put that out there. And yeah, let's just get it open and see what's inside. Oh, I'm nervous. I kind of feel like the time that I got my customised bat from Don't Trust Dolls. So these are handmade by Piper and Doreen. I think this one was done by Piper, as she was the lady mainly in contact with me. If I can get the bloody thing open. Right. The nerves. So that's what it looks like inside. Oh, I'm so scared. So it's got my name on it, Paige. For those that didn't know, my name is Paige. What's in here? Right, I'm just going to open this first before I look in the parcel, although I can see it in my eyesight. And all I can see is orange. Hi Paige, we are so happy to be sending you your Batbones Spooky Babes portrait doll. We are tinkled to have been invited to your Spooky Babes Facebook page. We think you'll love your doll as much as we do. Look forward to seeing you open via video. Always sharing the love, Piper and Doreen. Oh, that's so cute. I love the group. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's got septum piercing. And it's like finished with a little orange bow. Oh. Thank you so much, Piper and Doreen. This is so sweet and kind of you. Make sure that you check their page out, and I will add all the links in the description of the video. Oh, I can't even get it open. My heart is literally going woo. It's actually quite heavy. Oh my god. Look at that hair. I wish my hair was that long. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. So, she's got beautiful hair. I wish my hair was this healthy. And she's got like skulls for one eye, which yellow, black and orange, my favourite colours. And the other one is like a orange. I'm getting like a tiger's eye crystal vibe from it, which is in the shape of a heart. Of course, a little septum ring and a levret and a pentagram necklace or choker. And then she's got orange and knitting skirt on, and oh my god. Oh my god, it's got my banner on it. So if you're new to my channel, this is my old banner on my channel, but I still use this one for my Facebook page. Oh my god. And it's got a little tag as well which says Creepy and Cute Shop, and it's got their Etsy link, which is creepyandcuteshop.etsy.com, and facebook.com/creepyandcuteshop for their Facebook page. Oh my god, this is so cute. I never thought I would have a doll inspired by me. Oh, that's so cute. And obviously digging the fishnets and orange and black booties. Oh my god, I love it so much. Thank you so much. Honestly, I'm a little bit lost for words. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thank you. Make sure that you go and... I got fluff in my mouth. Make sure that you go and check out Creepy and Cute Shop and have a look on their Etsy at the dolls they have got available. They will also recreate dolls that they've done in the past with slight differences just so they're not the same. And you can just contact them on Facebook and they will help you as much as possible and keep you in the loop. So this is my Creepy and Cute Shop doll. I absolutely love her. Oh, it's like a little Raggedy Ann, isn't it? So cute. I wish my hair was that bright though. If you liked the video, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.